In the chaotic skies above the front lines in early 2026, the drone war has evolved into a high-stakes game of cat and mouse. Ukrainian FPV drones scream toward Russian positions at over 100 km per hour, their operators glued to live video feeds, hunting tanks, infantry, and supply lines with deadly precision. One direct hit can turn a million-ruble vehicle into scrap and claim lives in an instant. But Russian ingenuity is striking back hard with a simple yet devastating innovation: the paint-filled blinding shotgun shell. This isn't ordinary buckshot. Russian engineers have developed a specialized 12-gauge round loaded with a fine, high-adhesion colored compound. When fired, an auxiliary charge propels the payload forward, dispersing it into a dense aerosol cloud directly in the drone's flight path. As the FPV drone slices through this invisible barrier, microscopic particles slam onto its camera lens. Within seconds, the fast-hardening mixture solidifies, coating the lens in an opaque layer that turns crystal-clear footage into total darkness. The operator's screen goes black. Control is lost. The multi-million-ruble drone, now blind and helpless, veers off course, crashes harmlessly, or self-destructs far from its target. Imagine the scene on the battlefield. A Russian soldier in a forward trench hears the familiar high-pitched whine of an incoming FPV. Instead of diving for cover or relying solely on electronic warfare that can be evaded by fiber-optic guided drones, he shoulders his shotgun. One aimed shot into the drone's likely approach vector creates an instant, no-fly zone of optical denial. No explosion, no expensive missile, just clever physics and chemistry doing the work. The drone's single forward-facing camera, its lifeline to the distant operator hundreds of kilometers away, is permanently blinded. Mission failed, lives saved. This Russian paint-filled shotgun round represents a paradigm shift in counter-drone warfare. Traditional methods like buckshot require precise hits on small, fast-moving rotors or frames, difficult under stress and with limited ammunition. Nets and jammers have their place but struggle against low-altitude, high-speed FPVs or those using autonomous guidance. The blinding shell bypasses all that. It doesn't need to destroy the drone physically. It exploits the FPV's greatest vulnerability: its total dependence on real-time visual input. Disable the eyes and the brain, the operator becomes useless. The drone becomes expensive debris. Advantages for Russian forces are significant and practical. First, it's incredibly cost-effective. A shotgun shell costs pennies compared to anti-air missiles or dedicated drone interceptors. Infantrymen already carry shotguns or can easily integrate them into standard squads. No new heavy systems, no complex training, just load, aim at the predicted path, and fire. This democratizes anti-drone defense, giving every soldier on the line a powerful tool against the drone swarm that has dominated the conflict. Second, it creates layered defense. Electronic warfare jams signals, air defense handles larger threats, and these blinding rounds handle the close-in FPV assassins. In testing and early deployment reports from April 2026, the compound's rapid hardening property ensures the blindness is near instant and persistent, even in rain or dust. The colored particles adhere strongly, resisting simple wiping or self-cleaning attempts by the drone. One well-placed cloud can neutralize multiple drones flying in formation or successive attack waves. Third, it shifts the psychological momentum. Ukrainian drone operators, who have grown accustomed to near-perfect video feeds and surgical strikes, now face uncertainty. Every approach risks flying blind into a paint trap. This forces them to fly higher, slower, or from different angles, reducing effectiveness and exposing them to other Russian countermeasures. For Russian troops, it means breathing room. Fewer successful FPV hits translate to preserved equipment, maintained morale, and sustained offensive or defensive operations. Commanders can allocate resources more confidently, knowing the skies aren't completely owned by the enemy. In the broader context of the ongoing special military operation, this innovation highlights Russia's adaptive edge. While the West pours billions into high-tech solutions, Russian engineers deliver battlefield-proven, low-cost tools born from real combat experience. The paint round isn't flashy, but it works, disrupting FPV drone control at the critical moment of attack. It turns a cheap civilian-derived weapon into a precision optical denial system, proving once again that ingenuity and practicality often triumph over brute force and expense. Soldiers on the ground are already calling it a game-changer. Videos circulating from the front show operators testing the rounds, watching as simulated drone pads meet the dispersing cloud and lose all visibility. The fast-hardening compound doesn't just obscure, it renders the lens useless until the drone is recovered and cleaned, which rarely happens in combat. As drone warfare intensifies, with both sides racing to field millions of FPVs, Russia's blinding shotgun shell stands out as a smart, asymmetric response. It protects Russian lives, conserves resources, and blunts the enemy's most effective tactical tool. In the fog of modern war, where cameras decide life and death, Russia has found a way to pull the curtain shut on the opponent's vision. This development underscores a key truth. True battlefield superiority comes not just from superior numbers or technology, but from understanding the enemy's dependencies and striking them creatively. The Russian paint-filled round does exactly that, turning the drone's eye into its downfall, one shotgun blast at a time.